if you want to set up grading periods for a course, go up to the course editor up here in the course settings, and you're going to scroll down and you're going to check off use grading periods, and you can title each period whatever you want, but I'm just going to put period 1, period 2, whatever for this, and you're going to set the weights. Let's say I want to create 4 periods here, so I'll set them at 25. Okay, and when I'm done, I'm going to hit save. So now I have 4 different grading periods. So I'm going to slide over a few homework assignments into some session folders. And the first 3 I'm going to set as period 1. So I'm going to go into the course in the assignment editor. Make sure they're in period 1, okay. So all these 3 should be in period 1. Period 1 there, okay. And that one's in period 1. Okay, and then I'm going to slide a few more. And this one I'm going to set in period 2. And this one I'll set in period 3. Okay, so now they're all in their periods. So when I go to the gradebook, for right now, I can just see all the assignments, but if I set the filter, I can click the filter up here, and I can choose which period I want to look at. Let's say I would just want to look at period 1. I'm just looking at the assignments that I set for period 1, and every grade that I give, let's say I want to give a few grades, that will only show up in that period. So let's go back and let's look at period 2. So I'm give a grade here. See, over in period 1 we have an A+, but in period 2 we have a B. So you can set the different periods and just see how each period comes out, and then you can also look at all of them, and here it changes to an A.